Good afternoon, teacher. I allow myself to a present activity. What would have happened if? Where did you stay? I stayed at Chinese soccer and the Millionaires Sport Club, but I can't play professional soccer because I wasn't disciplined. I didn't pay attention to the advice my father gave me at that time and was insecure and immature. If I had listened to the advice that my father gave me, my future would be different. How did you read at the moment? In 2008, where I was studying my technology career, in the month of November, my father began to get sick until we had to take him to the hospital. I couldn't tell him how much I loved him, and the daddy found that I feeling him to forgive me. I had spent more time with him. I would have peace. Here. How did this story finish? At the time my father did, it was a painful period, but today we are more united as a family, and I evaluate my mother life very much and remain here every day. No much I love her. I learn that affection are says in life and not after it. Thank you very much.